Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the meaning or concept of promotion, and further we are also going to discuss the various types or elements of promotion. Now first let us understand the meaning of promotion. See, every activity which is performed to make the customer aware about an organization's products or services is basically called the promotional activity or simply promotion, right? So the focus is on making a customer aware that a certain product exists in the market, right? Now, it includes advertisement also, then personal selling, sales promotion, etc., which we are going to discuss in detail in this video. Now, we all know that promotion has got a very wide reach. It is so because it includes both the print media also and broadcasting media also. We all see several ads daily in newspapers, magazines, and television also, right? Now, what are the objectives of promoting a product? Why do we need to promote a product? It is so because in order to survive in the market, it is very important that a product is known by the customer. If a product has a demand, okay, then only the firm will be able to survive in the market. So the main aim is to sell a product or service, right? And also to make a customer aware of the product that they require. Yes, precisely. See, every customer has a different demand, and if the customer is not aware of what they require being available in the market, it will become very important for the customer, or very difficult rather for the customer to buy that product. So it becomes very important to promote the product that the customer specifically require for a certain purpose, right? Then creating a brand image. Yes, why do we need to create a brand image? So that my organization can survive in the market or can increase its market share. And what will happen from this? Eventually, my brand loyalty or my brand would grow, right? So, the basic objective of promoting a product is to make customer aware of the product and also to gain a brand loyalty so that we can grow as a company, right? We have a good positive positioning or image in the minds of customer, right? Now let us discuss the various types of promotion. See, the first one is advertisement. It is basically a paid form of promotion wherein the company pays to various media, be it broadcasting or print, to publish its product. Okay, so basically, it is a paid form of promotion, and also it is a very brief description about a product. We all see the ad hardly lasts for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, so it is basically a short description about a product. Okay, now the media can either be broadcasting, televisions, radios, etc., or it can even be print media like magazines, journals, newspapers. Okay, now sales promotion. See, sales promotion is basically done to attract the customers so that our sales increases. Okay, so various cashback offers, discounts, rebates are offered to the customers. It basically happens during the festive period. when the company wants to increase its sales by leaps and bounds, right? So it is basically for a very short period, and it is usually during the festive season. Okay, so sales promotion is basically done to attract the customers so that our sales increases more than it was before, right? Now, personal selling. See, it is usually performed when a new product is launched. Why so? Because a company wants to give demo of the product. Okay, it wants to show how the new product is performing, how useful it is for the customer, right? So basically, it is done to promote those products which have some application, okay, which whose performance can only be judged when applied. Okay, so basically, in case of floor cleaners, okay, toilet cleaners, etc., it is basically done. Okay, so personal selling is very important part of promotion. Okay, now publicity. Publicity is basically a non-paid form of promotion. Yes, see, what happens in publicity is that initially press conferences are being organized by the company. Okay, then they mention the product's unique features, that this product has so and so feature, it is s- different from other products. Okay, so after this press conference, the media has a role to play over here. If the product has a very unique feature, then the media starts promoting the product, and it, if liked by the customers, or if it is different from other products, then it gets publicity, right? We all remember the case of Reliance Jio, right? The company did a press conference, and then after that, we all know how it spread all over the country. The news spread all over the country, and Jio was a star in just a single day. Everyone planned to buy Jio connection, right? Now, what did we discuss today? We discussed basically the meaning of promotion. Okay, it is basically an activity which is done to make customer aware of the product so that the customer eventually buys the product, and our company's market share increases, right? And we can survive in the market for a very long time and even be revered or loved by the people if the product is unique. Then we have further discussed about the various objectives of market of promotion, right? The main objective is to sell the product and to augment our market share. Okay, then types of promotion. Advertisement, we all know it is a paid form of promotion, and a short description about a product, and it can be through any media, be it a broadcasting media or a print media, right? Then we further discussed about sales promotion. It is basically giving customers various discounts, cashbacks to attract them so that our sales increases. Okay, now, and then personal selling also we discussed about. It is basically doing door to door or giving door to door service, or showing a demo to the customer, and eventually if the customer is liking the product, he or she eventually buying the product, right? Then publicity is basically a non paid form of promotion wherein the company initially organizes workshops or press conferences or give interviews, and then after, if the product is unique, differentiated, then the product gets publicity on its own. Okay, now let us discuss some important questions regarding promotion. See which element of promotion focuses on giving offers to the customers. A. Advertisement. B. Sales promotion. C. Public relations. Or D. Publicity. So we all know we get offers, cashback offers, rebates under sales promotion. The correct answer for this would be sales promotion, right? Now, the next question is which of the following elements is not included in promotion? Publicity, sales promotion, logistics support, personal selling. Okay, so we all know publicity is very much part of promotion. Okay, it is a non-paid form of promotion. Okay, Reliance Jio is the best example of this. Then sales promotion, giving cashback offers and all. Okay, then personal selling is also part of promotion because door to door service is given to the customer. And when we talk about logistics support, what is logistics? Logistics is basically concerned with transporting the goods or storing the goods. So various companies are basically doing this service, logistics service. So logistics is basically a part of distribution or place. Okay, so here the correct answer would be logistics because it is not an element of promotion. It is a part of distribution, right? So this was all for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time.